Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing some Born Pretty products, and I did this nail set using some of them. This is what they sent me. Here is a nail art brush. It's really cute and I am going to use it in this video today. So right now I'm just unboxing some gel polishes. So here's the first color, which is a lilac. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to someone who might like it. This one says glitter top coat, and it looks like a rose gold. And then we have our mint color. I have to do a set with these. I have a set in my mind right now, and I have to make sure I execute this perfectly. So this is one of my favorite things that they sent me, which would be the metallic drawing gel. So just to give you guys a close up, this is actually the gel that I used for my French tips today, and it's very pigmented. It was a little bit messy. And here is the reflective glitter. I have to do a set with this because I fell in love with this when I opened this. I literally screamed, "Oh my gosh," when I opened this. So that was everything that they sent me. Now we're going to hop into this set. I am doing the Femi Beauty method again, and I'm going to be doing a peel off method. I am using McCart's foil glue for this peel off method. I use it all the time. You guys should try it if you don't want to leave your nails on all the time. I actually picked this up from my sis, Baby Girl Nails. Hey Jamie, if you're watching, hey girl. And of course, I'm using one of my faves, Dark Pink by Gershon. I just feel like French tips look so much better with like natural pink or dark pink. And this part is pretty self-explanatory, but basically what I'm doing is applying the product to the full cover tip, and then I'm going to use some slip solution to go ahead and pat that product out from sidewall to sidewall so that it's evenly distributed, and then I'm going to just cure that onto my nail afterwards. So now I'm just going to go ahead and speed this process up for you guys. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some top coat to the underneath part of my nails so that it won't be sticky and sticking onto stuff. Now I am just about to go ahead and file. I already wiped the sticky tacky layer off my nails. I am going to file, but I'm not going to do all of the nails on camera. I am going to designate a video just for how I file my nails. Now I'm just going in with my e-file, using that ceramic barrel bit that I always use. It just gets the cuticle area so clean, and that's why I love using it. I'm done with shaping and filing now, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add a thin layer of top coat so that when it's time for me to do my French tips, if I make a mistake, it's easy to wipe off. These honestly look so good without anything on them, but I am going to spice them up a bit. So for the French tips, you want to go ahead and start with the outline of your French tip before you color it in. Makes it so much more easy. That's all I'm going to say here. I'm going to just let you guys watch me do this process. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and add some stones on there. For the most part, I tried to do them on camera, but I did finish some of them off camera. Lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and add some hearts to the cuticle area. And now that we're done with the set, I am adding some cuticle oil, and then I'm going to give you guys those angles, because it wouldn't be a Shay Noted video without those angles. These just came out so bomb, but wait for the next slide because the lighting is A1. Let me know if you guys love this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video to someone who might like it. And yeah, just get into these nails, baby. Born Pretty, I approve. This chrome gel or metallic gel is bomb. I will be doing a set with some other things. So yeah, go ahead and snatch that. I think I have a code. I will link it down below if I do. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.